All right, so today is December 10th, 2024. We actually had a sell day, right? Volume came in. I was looking for some shorts, but I had to step away. When I stepped away, I was gone for the day. Price did what I wanted to do. Also did it at the beginning. So right now, just going over the levels that I created here, highs and lows, to get me an idea of what I'm actually looking for. These are the strong volumes that came in. So try to see how price reacts around them. We had one the other day from Friday that worked out pretty damn well. It was a midday volume. Shoot, it's over here at 1 o'clock at 4. You can see it here between. Well, this is the whole thing. So this is 1 o'clock and 4 hour. I meant. So price did drop, broke a nice trend line, retested that trend line. I mean, it's not really a clear trend line to see, but in a sense, it's like something like that. All right, broke it, retested it. So stat. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right. Um, volumes drop down here strongly. I like to see a rejection up here. If we do come back up here, I'll move this out forward more. And then I'm going to look into those end of day high volumes. Let's just see how price reacted. I did mark this one here. I'm marking that one there. I like to see price either bounce off of it or below it. Still got time. Let me get my clock up so I can be aware, cognitive of what's going on. It should be up by now. Shouldn't be having to search for it. Should be up somewhere. There it is, hiding behind Mr. Sloth or Mr. Sloth. There we go. All right, thank you for that. All right, so let's get everything up. All right, so we got a clock, 8:44. All right, so price is holding this lows. This is where our strong volume was at. This one here we haven't touched, so I like to see a nice rejection up here. And I'll go over my trade from, well, not all over my trade, but just price action from yesterday. I am liking these volumes that came in here. Carving that out. Price moved up, no volume. All right. Strong sell. Here, right, we don't see it here, but we had a nice strong end of day volume. Here, with nice volume at 11. Awkward. Let me mark this one here, right? That. I'm going to see what, no, but we kind of cleared it. All right, we cleared it during the day. So it's kind of like weird. The other one here, we didn't clear it. We cleared it pre-market, so we didn't clear it during the market session. So probably not gonna worry about this one too much. Let's go to the 15-minute. These three. This is the London Open. Okay, let's go to the 3 minute, the 15-minute. All right, so strong volume right here, kind of like how we had here. All right, strong buying right there, and then we stay below it right after 5, 6, came back up, and then we held right below this area here. If we go to the 1 minute, you'll see exactly where that volume node is. Same thing with this one here. So this one we dropped, and then we pushed above it. So if price holds it in the first 5 minutes, 15 minutes to the market, like this one here, the first 15 minutes held it, probably might be good to go. All right, so this is a 15-minute volume. This is a 15-minute volume. All right. So 15 minutes, 5 minutes to hold it. Same thing with this one here. All right, to see what we get when volatility comes in. Okay, let's go to the 5 minute. Zoom out. All right. So like this one here, we had volume to the top and then volume to the bottom, and then we kind of stayed right in that sauce, right? And then we drop. Here we have volume to the top, no volume yet to the bottom. This volume came in 2 hours after the market opened, and a few hours before the market opened. This is London session. London session opened here. We have volume to the top, kind of like holding that area, right? So maybe we're going to bounce higher. Maybe this has become our low. We bounce up, right? You can see that we kind of like consolidated, pushed down, didn't really find anything, pushed up. All right, so that volume going up, 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 right? Kind of cleared all of that. Let me go back to the 30-minute. Let's see what volumes that would look like. We cleared all of this. All right, so I don't have anything holding us to push us back down anymore on the 30-minute. Looking at the volume, we cleared that. This is the only area where I like to see rejection when we're coming up to here. So nothing here for the 30-minute. 15-minute, nothing here for the 15-minute. Okay, so I am having a long bias now as I continue. I should hardly have a note of what I need every day. Just have it up and just start knocking it off. Does this thing have like a checklist? No. Can I make a checklist with this one? Probably not. I wonder if the store has a checklist. That way I can just have it ready. I can just knock it stuff down. All right, and then that's what I'm looking for. Maybe that's what I need. Let's try this one. All right, so while that's doing that, okay, so nothing to stop me from going up or going down, right? Nothing here that I'm interested in. So we go to the 5-minute. You can see that we had buying up here, and we had buying up there. Pre-market. This name will be sent to your recipient when you share the type nickname, um, trade station. Okay. Morning. Morning set. All right. What is all this? Okay, so we need high and low. Need settlement. End of day volume. We need it's supposed to be a shopping list. End of day volume. We need end of day volume. We need RSI directions on the 30-minute, 10-minute RSI directions, 5-minute RSI directions, 1-minute RSI directions. Then I need London open volume, 30-minute London open volume, and what else do I need? I need trend lines and where is it? That might be it. Let me double check my clipboard. Okay, news. Oh, I need to check news. News and news candle. Weekly daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. All right. So now, hopefully this thing saves. All right, so this is basically what I look for. Save it. Okay. Okay. So, can I make this small? Oh, that's not that bad. All right. All right. Cool. Okay. I want that blue thing to go away. Okay. All right. So, got a lows, got a highs. All right. For yes. Let's do sediment. Sediment price. All right. Got sediment price. Um, what's it doing? Why he's switching off? Mark. Mark. End of day value. All right. I'll move this around. Guess not. Okay. So we did weekly already. Did daily. I don't like this. I'm gonna get rid of this thing. This is just not for today. This is that's it. I don't really like this anymore. Um, any news? No news. Okay. Yep. Don't really like this. This is going to get deleted. Got a nice trend line. Buying up here. Kind of cleared it, so I'm not gonna count it. So I'm definitely gonna be looking at this right here. How price reacts. This is going to be a demand zone in a sense. And this is the end of day volume. End of day volume. Same thing with this one here. Oh, I know you did it. I knew you had put it there. Why don't you show yourself? Okay, so end of day volume. So 15-minute, 5-minute, all right, and then the 1 minute. Okay, so we have to make sure that we hold it on the higher time frame. Yeah, we're not too much liking this. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. So in 1 minute we have buying up here. So I'm probably gonna be looking for buys, right? Buying really started down here. All right. So if we bounce off of this, looking for buys, looking for a trend line, and then looking for buys, because this is straight buying. This one we cleared. Yeah. Okay. And then do have a top up here? Not technically, not really. All of these have been cleared. We have a top right here. Not really. We sold off. So yeah, I don't have anything. We came right to that at 1 minute. Broke out. Okay. So what we're working with? Okay. Let's go to ES, and then we'll do a bigger picture of everything. So daily, no volume for that one. 4 hour, strong volume here. One hour, rounding off, nice trend line, broke up higher. Let's bring this out a little bit. Let's bring this out a little bit. Marked it there for a reason. 30 minute, 1 hour. What was that I saw? Selling volume. 30 minute. Okay, we got our London session area. Price bought up. This one here, we're holding it. It's a 30-minute area. Yeah. No volume behind it, but it's just 30-minute, and we're holding it. Let's mark it. Okay. Yes, sir. All right. Right down to the bottom. That. Okay. Let's put settlement price as we continue. Let's go. All right. Let's go to the 5 minute, 15 minute. What time we got here? 18 minutes into it. Okay. So we have this. That's important. That's our RSI. That's our 15-minute RSI. If we can't clear that, we have a problem. That. Okay. We haven't cleared this one yet. So this one is still on the selling. So we got the buy. So this is still selling. All right, so we still have a selling vibe going on. So I gotta respect that. Let's go to the 5 minute. Oh, this is our high volume area. All right. Go to the 5 minute. All right, strong volume that came out here. Ooh, this shit is becoming a hot freaking mess. Damn. Five minute and 15 minute. 5 minute and 15 minute. So strong volume right here. So we'll see how price reacts at the open. 1 minute. Volume came out from here. I think I'm more interested in this here. See how price reacts. Yep. 1 minute. Okay. So we're gonna do some deleting. Look at this. Bound, 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 bound. Okay. That buying up here, which we held, right? This one we held. A minute. That's what we came back up to, right? Close to it. Right? Don't need to always touch it. That's close enough. Nice clutter. Where does it break? Right here, right? So it came to the trend line break. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's clear. I'm end up clearing some of these here. I'm getting overwhelmed with information. Let's delete these. Okay. So this was the 5 minute volume. 30 minute volume. This is very strong right here. Not the strongest. Let's go to the 15 minute. Let's go to the 30 minute first. So 30 minute end of day volume. All right. I think I'm gonna keep the 30 minute. Maybe. Might delete it because we have this right here. All right. So just the idea of. So I might get rid of the 30 minute, but buying definitely is coming from here. I'm gonna go to look at the 15 minute. Still the same thing. All right. We might still sell though. Then we're gonna get rid of that. Let's go to the 5 minute. Volume came out here on the 5 minute. Bounce off of that 30 minute. There's something done here that pushed the price up. increase that volume. Let's get rid of these here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's get rid of the 5 minute one. No, 5 minute one can probably stay. Let's see how price reacts around it at the open. We did bounce off of that very nicely. But I like this plethora of volume. I like to see a rejection up here, continuation lower. So I'm going to do this like that. Remember, price has been used. This 30-minute is my thing here. Let's see, how did 30-minute close around it? How about that? All right, 30-minute never came down to it. All right, so big range I'm dealing with. But I think the as long as we stay above, we get a trend line above, we're good. This here, probably down towards these things here, looking for a trend break. That makes sense. We do have 1 minute buying right here, which started to buy. We started a strong move, as you can see. Let's zoom it out and look at how it was yesterday. Yesterday, what did we do? For the market, we sold off, right? And then we came back to this and we kind of held. All right, we came back to that. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yeah, we sold off, and then we held. All right, I didn't do any of the things here, or I could have, but we held right there. We can see that we're holding. So this one here, and we're holding the peak of it, not the middle of it, the peak of it. All right. Here, we're holding the middle of it, which is throwing me off. Okay, so we don't want to hold the middle, we want to hold the peak, the top, right? So we kind of like holding here. I like to see price come down to this one here. So I'm going to get rid of the 5. We demolish this 5. Get rid of the 5. All right. Let's go back to the 30-minute. So we're kind of holding this area here. Let's go. We're holding that one for sure. Let's go to the 15-minute. Not really. Gonna get rid of 15-minute because we're not really respecting it here. Let's see the 5-minute. And I'll get rid of the 5-minute. So this would be like a 30-minute thing. Right here. Okay. So buying might be in the equation. All right. So, and keeping an eye on this 5-minute line right here. All right. Let's put it like that. Okay. So we're done with that. Got settlement. Final news. Did the 30-minute London session. Let's go back to the 30-minute. Can't really make heads or tails of this. So we're just going to keep it the way it is. I like how that is. RSI trends. Yeah, we got kind of somewhat consolidated. But I want to play the extremes for the most part. What is here that is holding? What's there? Go to the 15-minute. 5-minute. Nothing. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. All right. So price is moving back up. It's clearing that. So it will be more of a selling range and buying down here. So if we clear this and we don't leave anything down here, it's buying and selling is what I'm looking at. Let's go to VIX real quickly. Let's do 30-minute VIX. VIX still rising. Highs up here. Lows down there at the bottom. Lows still the same. Okay. Get rid of this. Yeah. All right. So VIX is in the middle. First could sell off here, make an ES rise. Kind of have like this going. All right, and I'm almost done, guys. Okay. All right, so let's look at the charts as a whole. All right, so ES is holding that area, settlement price, and Q is holding this area here, and Q does have an area of rejection on the 15. ES doesn't have anything really. All right, we go to our standard chart here. I don't have anything to shield me. Only NQ has that. ES blew through those. So buying is more prevalent. So more bullish for now. Bearish up here. If NQ holds this, if NQ holds that, I'd look for something on the ES. I'd put a whole price down. Right now, I don't see anything on my charts that's screaming at me to say this is where price will struggle. I mean, maybe this, but no. Yeah, I don't have anything screaming at me. We do have a pause area here, but that's too long. So, but I am very long bias right now based on just how things are showing up on the charts. All right, so we want to see how NQ work itself out. So as far as that, I'm done. I'm gonna stop recording, and then I'm gonna see what's going on with everybody else's charts that I follow. And then, yeah,